Welcome back to my channel SDN Cubing. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel SDN Cubing. In this video I am gonna teach you how to solve a 4x4 Rubik's Cube. So let's begin. For solving a 4x4, first I need to scramble the cube. 3, 2, 1, scramble. Whoa. Okay, now I had scrambled the cube. For solving a 4x4, first you need to make all the centers. In the 4x4 there are no centers and edges that are paired. You can see this edge is not correct, the centers are not right. For solving a 4x4 we should convert it into a 3x3. The 3x3 has centers and edge pieces, so we should make centers here, all of them, and make the edge pieces. There will be two parts of this video. I'll show you part 1 how to solve centers, in part 2 edge pairing. So let's begin. Okay, first now you should make a white center. First you need to make a bar. Example, this anyone can do. Here you see it is there. I'll move this up. Here you see I got a bar like that. Now I should fix this to it is down. I'll move 2 times. It comes to up. Now I have this here. I'll move F and I'll take this here and I'll do D. Now right side down and this side I'll pair it and match. Okay, this is not any algorithm such a type. A white center is anything like that. You do like a color. Next you should move on to the yellow center. You should hold the cube upside down like this. Next, now you see already one bar has been completed. Here you should make another bar. Here you can see where is the corner piece. Here you see here's the corner piece. When we try to match them, they doesn't match. You see this corner should be in this place. That time when we move this upper layer, they both would be matched. So I'll do F2 and take it to this here and move U 2 times and I will make a bar. I will show you. You see when we make a bar, wait a second, after making a bar you should hold it in any side. I'll hold it in the right side and move this up, and the white is scrambling, so you should do U2 and right side down. Okay, down, right side. Now upper bar has been completed and now you should do another yellow bar. For doing that, you see one is here and one is here. So in this case you should hold them both like this, front each other. Here you see like this both. After holding them like this, apply the soon algorithm. In 3x3 we apply the algorithm, no? R U R prime U R U2 R prime. You see we had completed the the yellow center. Now the white center. Now you should hold it like this. After holding it like this, you should make the the blue bar. One bar has been already completed. Here you see this bar. I'll move this up. It would be matched. I'll do F and I'll match this here. Now you should go to the after blue. What color is there here? Here see yellow on top after blue. Here we should get red. Next green, like that. Now we should make red color here. For making this, now I have a bar, edge, the corner center. Now I'll place this here and move right side up, and the blue is scrambling, so I'll move it to the another direction and move the right side down. You see I had made a bar. Now you should see, now here I have a bar already done. You should do the same process and make another bar. Now you should hold them in the same line. Here you see in the same line and do up U2 and move this one other time. Now you see these both centers are. Now the last 2 centers, you may get this case every time, or another case make a bar and you get this case. Next you need to pair these both. Use this algorithm R U R prime U R U2 R prime. You see it has been completed. So this is the tutorial of the 4x4 tutorial, how to make the centers. In part 2 I will teach you how to make the edge pairing and solve it like a 3x3. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Bye bye. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel, and bye bye.